it's Lynette here. So today I have a wee bit of a mixed haul, just all in here. So I had to go into Dunfermline to pick up a few bits and pieces from Marks and Spencer's, and Steve was going into Santander. So I had seen something online that I really fancied trying. It was a new window cleaner. I'm going to go in and I will find it. It's the Invisible Windows Crystal Clear. It's foam and glass cleaner, no perfume, clings to surfaces. The kids outside must be playing. So apparently, according to this TikToker that I was watching, this stuff is amazing. You just kind of spray it on and then wipe it off. Now, window cleaning and cleaning mirrors. My house is full of mirrored wardrobes. They're in 3 rooms. One of them, well, both in 2 rooms, the mirrors run the length of the room. So it was just something. I've got the car shower, which can be a bit kind of hit or miss for me, and I've got various different products that I've tried, but when I saw this lady on TikTok, I thought I had to have it. But online you could only get 3 packs, and I thought I really want to try it first. So when we were in Dunfermline, I knew there was a Poundies, so I just popped into Poundstretcher to pick it up. I can do a video and let you know if it's any good, if you, or do a wee demo if you're interested. I think that was £2. Yeah, £1.99. So there's a mixed kind of, when I say it's a mixed haul, it's Poundies and Savers. So I've got the receipts here, so I'll just tell you what they are when I'm pulling them out. So the Bristol Hairspray, that was 89p from Savers. It lasts ages, and I just find once I put my products on and I spray this, it just seems to help my hair set better. I picked up 2 just in case it was any good. Not sure the next time we'll be back in Dunfermline. So that was £1.99. The Radox I picked up for Steve, so Steve is exempt from my inventory. So he's got the Radox at 89p. He helps me use up my shower gels. However, he has no appreciation for an expensive shower gel, so he's getting the Radox at 89p. He said it's terrible, and I said no, you don't appreciate an expensive shower gel. See, if you said that was really lovely, I enjoyed that, but he just says, oh, that's a shower gel. So that's why he's excluded from my inventory, and I can pick him up shower gel. Honestly, it's not an excuse. What else did I pick up for him? I got the Wild Cherry car little tree for the car. I love the smell of cherries, so I was quite happy to pick that up while we were there. Yeah, these are from Poundstretchers. I was away somewhere and I didn't have any tissues. I usually always have a little packet of tissues in my bag. So I thought I'll need to pick some more up just so I make sure I've got them. That was £1. It's not normally an issue because I'm not normally travelling. But I was at the park and there was a situation where I could have helped somebody out with a tissue, but I didn't have one. Anyway, that's all I'm saying on the matter. So now I make sure I have them. I picked these up for Steve. I'm sure I got these from Savers. No, I got them. Yeah, I did. I got them from Savers. It's the Too Sure Active Dry 48-hour protection. He really loves the smell of this. It's really, really nice fragrance. Brandon uses it as well. So that's how he kind of said, oh, that smells lovely. So I picked him up 2 of those at £1.49 each. So he's always going to smell nice. He does always smell nice, to be fair. But, so I got some sponges. So these are non-scratch sponge scourers. So a pack of 8. How much were those? They weren't very expensive at all. I think they were about £1. Yeah, £1, which is all right. I picked this up. I had picked this up. It says a plant spray bottle. I picked up 2 from IKEA to use on the plants, and then we picked up a big one from Home Bargains, but it was already being used, to put soapy water in it to spray on the plants to keep the bugs off it. However, Steve bought a big one of this and then filled the other one with peppermint to spray around the hut to try and stop the spiders getting in. So I've got a spare plant spray bottle, but I think that'll do. I'll kind of pass that on to Brandon. He's got his massive cheese plant that he's growing, and he's getting a little, I think it's a Chinese money plant from Antonia. She's been propagating that, so he can keep that in his room just to give them the leaves and things a quick spray. But I thought that was really cute. I liked the shape of the bottle. They did have like little butterflies and stuff, but I thought that's not very practical. How much was that? That was $1.79 from Poundstretchers. The Aquafresh Toothpaste, because I always seem to run out of that. So there are 2 here. And I don't mind toothpaste, but I hate it when you have to go and buy it and it's really expensive. I don't mind buying it, but I don't like to pay a lot of money for it. I think that was just about £1 each, to be honest with you. Yeah, Aquafresh £1 each, which was good. A couple of items in here. This is the Mitchum Roll-On Triple Odor Defense Anti-Sweat. I picked this up because it's summer and things are a bit kind of a wee bit warmer when you're outside, so hopefully that does its job. And last but not least, I picked this up for Antonia. It's the Insect Dry Shampoo in Blossom. This smells absolutely gorgeous. Now, how much was this? It was really cheap. Yeah, it was only £1. So I just picked that up while I'm there because I don't think we've got any left in the cupboard. Yeah, it smells amazing. I'm going to spray it. Don't do what I've just done there. That's not right. But yeah, it's got such a lovely smell. It reminds me of holiday. There must be something that I use when I go on holiday. So yes, I can get these bags unpacked. They've been kind of kicking around for the last few days, just because I've been doing other things. When as I'm filming this, it was my birthday yesterday, so we went into Edinburgh for something to eat, and Steve took me around the new St James's Centre. However, I just was not in the mood to buy anything, especially not kind of clothes wise, and I thought, do you know what, I've got lots of things, so why don't we just keep the money for when I really fancy getting something new, or maybe getting my hair done or something like that. So we just went for a nice meal. We went to a tapas place, which was lovely, although Steve kept grumbling that the paella was awful, and it was, and it hadn't helped the fact that my friend and her husband had us over for dinner the night before, and they made like a fantastic, amazing tasting paella, and the one we got there from was awful, and there wasn't even any salt on the table or anything to kind of put in it. Everything else was gorgeous, but his one complaint was that the paella was awful. I didn't bother mentioning it because, you know, it was a lunchtime menu. It was 3 tapas for £15, so we just kind of thought, well, you know, we'll eat it, but, you know, we wouldn't order it again, that's for sure. But everything else was absolutely gorgeous, and we got the bus there and the bus back, and by the time we got home I was absolutely knackered. And I think I've got plantar fish, I don't want to say this wrong, fasciitis. I was saying to Steve, it felt like I was getting cramp, like stabbing pain in my foot, and my foot felt like it was collapsing away. And he said to me, that doesn't sound right. And one of our friends had it, so he said, it sounds like that. So I was Googling it, and I thought, I don't know whether to bother the doctor with it. I don't know if there's anything they can do other than, you know, strap it up. Well, they won't be able to strap it up, but physio could strap it up or tell me, you know, to wear different shoes. I don't know what they would do, but I just thought they'd probably just tell me to take ibuprofen and kind of a cold compress or something. But it only really happens after I've been walking a wee bit. So we walked round the new centre briefly, along George Street, and then back, and then we got the bus, and then we were walking up the hill when it kicked off. But it seems to be when I'm uphill that it is really bad. So my friend was saying that she's got tape and she had looked up how to do it online, and one of my other friends, Tracy, was saying that I should really probably go and get an insole fitted, an orthotic, and I had one of those years ago, but I think it went out in a pair of shoes, never to be seen again. And of course you can't wear it with a sandal, can you? So yeah, anyway, I need to go and get that sorted out. I feel like I'm falling apart, falling to bits. So yeah, this has all kind of been hanging around, so now I can now that I've filmed it, I can get it all out the way, which will be good, and kind of continue with clearing out some stuff. I'm doing pretty well. There will be a video going up shortly, if it's not already up, which will show you what I've decluttered. Took a few things charity shop as well. So that feels good. Got a bit more space in the house. I will also do a video on what I've brought in since I started my inventory, and that is all in a box. I might do it after this actually, and then I can film my inventory. So anyway, I'll speak to you soon, guys. Take care. Bye bye.